Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting the best Pronto. Yes, you heard that right. The Magicard Pronto100 MD100YMCKO ribbon with CardPresso software. Whether you're a small business owner, school administrator, or anyone in need of professional ID card printing, this product has you covered with quality, reliability, and convenience. Let's kick things off with what you get. This ribbon is designed specifically for the Magicard Pronto100 ID card printer and delivers a full YMCKO color ribbon. That means you're printing yellow, magenta, cyan, black, and an overlay on every card. Each roll gives you 100 high-quality prints. That's 100 cards in vibrant, sharp detail, perfect for photo IDs, access cards, or custom branding. Now, what makes this ribbon different? For starters, it's not just the ribbon you're getting. Included in this package is CardPresso software, an intuitive card design solution that allows you to create professional-grade ID cards right from your desktop. With its built-in templates, drag-and-drop features, and database connectivity, even beginners can create secure and visually stunning badges in minutes. Compatibility is key here. This MD100YMCKO ribbon is engineered exclusively for the Magicard Pronto100 printer. That's important, because it is not compatible with the older Pronto model. So if you're using a Pronto100, you're in the right place. The synergy between the ribbon and printer ensures optimal performance with minimal errors, making the printing process smooth and dependable. When we talk about print quality, this ribbon delivers bold, true-to-life colors with a professional finish. The overlay panel adds a protective layer that enhances durability and fade resistance, ensuring that your cards hold up against daily wear and tear. For organizations issuing ID cards regularly, this level of quality can make all the difference. Installation is straightforward. You just open your Pronto100 printer, slide in the new ribbon, and the printer does the rest, automatically detecting the new ribbon and optimizing print settings for the best results. No messy calibration, no complicated setup. Now, a quick note on value. Though there were no featured offers available at the time of this recording, the "See All Buying Options" link on Amazon ensures you can find it through other sellers. That's especially useful if you're ordering in bulk or looking for bundled deals. In terms of reputation, the Magicard name carries a legacy of quality in the ID card printing space, and this ribbon package lives up to it. Combined with CardPresso software, it's not just a printing supply, it's a complete ID creation solution in a box. To wrap up, the Magicard Pronto100 MD100YMCKO ribbon with CardPresso software stands out as the best Pronto for a reason. It's designed with professionals in mind, built for performance, and supported by a user-friendly software suite. If you're looking for crisp, durable ID cards without the hassle, this is your go-to choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next review.